So what is the national average rate and why does this matter to you? So I'm Stephanie Johnston with the Johnston team at Service First Mortgage and wanted to share a little bit of information about this. So I like to post the national average interest rate as it's a good benchmark for what interest rates are doing. I also give some caveats on that as far as how to use that information, because remember, everyone's interest rate is different. There's a lot of different variables that go into rate in terms of your purchase price, your down payment, your credit score, the type of home, the length of time that you're gonna lock it for, and of course, daily rates change every day. But this is what is pulled, and it's a national poll that we use that looks at a certain segment of loans and says this is among all lenders, this is the average rate that was locked. In that average though, a 740 credit score with 25% down is used. And again, we don't make these averages. This is a national poll that's used. And the other piece is it doesn't necessarily say that that's at no points. Sometimes people assume that, but that's just the average rate that across the board is locked among, again, all lenders. But the good thing, it's all lenders. So it gives us a good benchmark to go with. But again, your specific rate should be quoted by an actual loan officer with all your details. So why is this something I still share, and why again is this important? Again, that will give us a base mark. Is our rates higher, lower? Where is that? But to the consumer, they generally are going to see the same number pulled into news articles and to social other things that they see, post, etc. And that's going to usually drive, in my opinion, buyer traffic or people starting to look at homes based on where they see for rates. So it is kind of eerie, but when we pass certain milestones or we get a good drop to that number or we have an increase in that number, our buyer activity and the number of people that call my phone changes, which is crazy. So for example, if we see a rate go over 7 all of a sudden and then drop back under 7, we're gonna have more homeowners start the journey. So I think that that's something to be aware of. If you are a homeowner looking to purchase, the main thing I can say is please don't just think that's your rate. Let us actually give you a specific interest rate. Hey, it might even be better, right? So let's give you your specific interest rate option and then also buy and start the process of what's convenient and what looks like to you. Sometimes even those news articles are very delayed. So you might be seeing an interest rate that interest rates have gone up and they did 5 days ago and now they're back down. So an industry expert to be able to help you out with that is going to be your best way to determine what affordability looks like for you. Again, it's Stephanie over at Service First Mortgage. If I can be of any assistance, please reach out. Thanks.